Welcome back, folks. We're once again over at the Ugly Lawn project. This is 9 days after the Celsius and Certainty application. We're making a little bit of progress on some of the weeds that are in the lawn. Let me show you what I'm talking about. For example, this clover here you can see is really starting to yellow out, as is much of the other weeds in the lawn. We've also reset the irrigation times and intervals on this lawn. Now it's getting more routine watering. One thing I did find out after speaking with the homeowner is that some of these yellow spots that you can see on the right-hand side along the fence is due to excessive amounts of fertilizer put out. So that's one of the challenges that we're going to be facing in this lawn, and another reason why it's really important to read the label before applying. To try and get the plant to bounce back from this, I put out some humic acid and some potassium in the form of Soil Hume and 15015 from Simple Lawn Solutions. While we're waiting on our soil test results to come back, we're going to address the low spots in the lawn next with our mixture of sand, carbonized PN, and potting mix. So thanks again for stopping by to check out the progress, and we'll see you in the next one.